Okay, this is a very quick review of the Kobalt 24 volt brushless impact driver, 1/2 inch. This is just an unboxing video, and I'm also going to show you how to use it, how well it does. Mainly use it to rotate tires, because I rotate my tires every oil change, and I put winter tires on my truck. So it's got a bag, actually comes with battery, charger. I paid $139 at Lowe's. It was a Black Friday sale. So they had corded impact drivers. However, they were like $140 for the corded. So it's kind of a no-brainer. Some of the specs here, so you know a little bit about it. There you go. That way I don't have to read it all to you. You just look that over. 600 pounds. So that's enough for certain to break loose bolts. So this is, let's see here. Got a carrying bag. That's nice. Instructions, of course. Not bad. Not bad at all. Got little pouches on it in the front. 2 pouches, looks like. Yeah, that's okay. Alright. Put a battery. Four amp hour. 24 volt. DeWalt's like 20 volt. It's a little less. But the DeWalt's there, I believe they're 700 foot-pounds. So this is a little bit less than that, but nice battery indicator. Let's see what we got in it now. Half, so we'll have to put a charge on it here for today. I'm pretty sure they usually ship new stuff. Lithium's half anyways, so that's normal. Charger, oh, that's nice. Indicator. Tool feels pretty good. I don't have the battery in it, but I mean it's pretty heavy, but we'll do some. We got to put snow tires on the truck, so we'll give you a review here and get this plugged in and see how the charger works. Alright, let's got the charger plugged in, so let's slide this puppy in and see what we got going on here. Alright, so she's flashing. Oh, that's nice. It's got a cooling fan. Okay, well, that's kind of neat. That's different. Never had one like that. Alright, we'll get her charged up. It's at half right now, so we'll see how long that takes. Alright, solid light there means she's done. It was about an hour. So here's the bag again, opened up. Like I said, pockets in the front, nice. Here's the tool. So, alright. Let's check it out here. Bam! Ooh. We got ourselves a little light. Isn't that nice? Alright. Put some sockets on here and let's get these tires off. Alright. So let's get these lug nuts off here. I'm going to have to do this one-handed because I don't have one of those fancy camera holders. Oh yeah, boy. I moved to this house here and electrical is not very good. Going to the garage, so I can't run an air compressor. It keeps tripping breakers. So it's like, wasn't sure what to do here, so I decided on doing this route. And wow, that is just unbelievable. That is great. The other thing is nice not to be able to deal with a hose. You know, you're going to the other side of the car and your hose is getting caught on every damn thing out there. Okay, I don't have much light here, so let's see. Oh, the light works. Light works great. This. So I just want to show the variable. Oh, variable trigger. That's also nice. Wow, let's go to the back. My gosh, should have got one of these a long time ago. Okay, fantastic. Just buzzes them right off. Well, that's variable too. Just by the trigger. Just kind of ease it off if you want. Well, there you go. Beautiful. Next one, well, also dude putting it on. Okay, next, let's put the lug nuts on. Me personally, I like to start the threads by hand because cross-threading is bad. I just put them on by a little bit because I actually am one of those that like to torque things down. Use a torque wrench, but I'm not going to show you that because right now I'm just showing you this guy. That little light, that's nice too because as you can see, garage is a little dark. Wow, that's... Look, it's thinking about maybe buying this for, oops, forgot to put that one on. Got so excited about using this thing I forgot to put my tire on. Oh yeah, it's just like butter. Oh my. No. Well, I'd like to show you all four, but yeah, it's just one of those days. Alright, so, won't show that, but basically, she's good. Yeah, a little nose heavy, as some people say. Yes, it's definitely that. You can definitely do it one-handed, as you can see. Not a problem. It's actually a very good tool. Longevity, can't answer that. Don't know, I just got it, but is it worth it? Yes. Quite a bit less for compared to DeWalt. The other thing you gotta remember is DeWalt, your batteries, if you have to buy an extra battery, is going to be obviously more expensive. I think these were $55 for a battery. Don't quote me on that, but I thought I saw DeWalt was like, I thought it was like $85, $95, somewhere around there. It was definitely more, so review is so far very good. Thanks for watching.